Mumbai Indians against the Rajasthan Royals. Game 69 here at the iconic Wankhede Stadium in Mumbai. The two captains came out there. The toss won by the Mumbai Indians. They said we'll come out and field in the heat. Rajasthan Royals will bat first. Rajasthan Royals game number 69 coming up. Yashasvi Jaiswal up in front of him. A little bit of swing, a little floater up front. 5 in the power play. He goes straight away. It's big. There's a fielder underneath. The boundary rope is too close. He has pushed it back, which is remarkable.
So what an astonishing effort this is from Will Jacks.
Pio. This time it's straight and it's connected magnificently. Straight out once again. He really does hit the ball well straight. Beats the fielder on the offside for 4 because the field was on the onside. Straight down. This time he uses his feet magnificently. His boss. Now he's not hit this well enough. This is stop bowling from Will Jacks.
33 for 1, 27 to Jaiswal.
Here's Chahar. That's up in the air. An opportunity here. Oh, taken in the end.
She's gone for 4.
Coming in. Oh, he smacked that. That shot clears the ground easily. That's a good shot. Clears mid-on. Inside out. And this is turning out to be a good over. He goes again. And Tilak Verma is very good in doing that. Well, they will go upstairs to check, but he is taken a very good catch.
First contact within the boundary. Keep it rolling. Keep it rolling. The final contact is also within the boundary. It's a fair catch.
Well, happy with what he saw. The captain has to depart now. 3 down here, Rajasthan Royals. That's up, and it's long.
It's clean and long. Easily hit and very far. Oh, just beats the field. I think he was aiming elsewhere. Trouble, trouble, trouble. Eventually, Corbin Boys does gather the ball. Only one of them thought there was a single.
He was 29 and getting it quickly. 99 for 4.
Ghaznfar with his 3rd. Oh, straight back. He's actually done well to get out of it. Welcome back, Ghaznfar, leading wicket taker for Mumbai Indians this year. Short, all the room that you needed. It's a second tier 6. Oh, that's an absolute snorter. Corbin Bosch.
Jirel's gone for 38. Half the side gone for 119.
And so, here they are today, 100 of them.
Oh, he's collared this. He has really crunched that. Has he got enough? I don't think he has. No, he has not. Corbin Bosch.
And Pereira goes for 18. 139 for 6.
Slapped. Jofra Archer.
Score.
Big hit and long enough, as always is from Archer. Over the fielder for 6.
Holmes.
Now the fielder, will he get there in time? He does, he completes the catch.
It's 174 for 7.
A runner ball will take them to 190. They'll definitely want more than that, so every chance here of reaching that 200, if not more.
the offside. And he's gone straight up as well. There's another catch.
So Archer departs for 32, 17548.
Will he make them pay? He starts off with a boundary. It's later tonight. Right, Burgers connected that and connected that beautifully. It's in the gap for 4. More runs. This will get to the boundary too. He'll play the pull shot, but there's a fielder there. And that's all they'll get, but that's enough. 14 of that last over. They've got 73 for 3 in the last 5 overs, where they were 122 for 5 after 14. They laugh at each other as they go. They've played a lot of cricket with each other. A very good game on our hand as they trudge off. Little forlorn, the Mumbai Indians players have wilted under the heat. Were 2 for 41, Thakur 1 for 38, Bosch. Chahar picked up 2 for 43. Impact sub signal. Raghu Sharma goes out. Rohit Sharma comes in. These two have been very, very good in an otherwise bleak season.
So you can expect a few short pitch deliveries from Jofra Archer.
Started. Now has he got a wicket again in the first over? He might well have. They're celebrating. And now Rohit Sharma's turn back. His stay has been very short.
Rohit Sharma gone for a duck, not the start that Mumbai Indians want.
Well, he likes the offside too today, Bish. This is a shot he plays beautifully. Good. Well, this threw his bat and gets a wicket with this next over too. And Archer's on fire here once again. This is fine bowling. Oh, he fed him on the shot that he loves. Oh, yes and no. Direct hit. He misses. Now they might get a run. With 2. Oh, but it doesn't matter so much because Riggleton has found the fielder at mid-wicket.
Goes for 12, 24 for 3.
Now Surya Kumar Yadav through the onside now. This is an even better shot.
Bowls him. First ball. The wickets are tumbling here, the Vankedi. Suryavanshi's not going to cut that off. That's 4. That has been very nicely put away by Will Jacks. Suryakumar with a minimum effort. Gone, Toads, dropped. Oh, it's a great hit. That's such a clean hit.
Brilliant from Surya Kumar Yadav when he goes through the offside. Bit of a top edge, but there's nobody there. And it'll hurry away to the boundary. In the slot for the 6. Includes the IPL, a couple of games in the Champions League. Oh, it's straight up, but how far? Oh, that's gone straight up. Keeper's called for it. Bowlers moved aside. The keeper completes it.
Will Jack scores for 33, 101 for 5.
What Joel did though was he used his hands. That's up in the air too. Oh, he pushes it away. This time he's got hold of it much better. And see what happens with the extra ball. Oh, that's beautifully hit. Goes back over the wicket. That's in the gap again for 4. Powered back. 49. That's only his second half century of the season. You realize they can win it. That will be far hand there, just a little ways of the bat. Brijesh Sharma. Clear the fielder. Oh, that's what he was here for. This could be the moment. Jofra Archer comes back.
Thrilled to bits. So the dangerous Pandya goes for 34. Bosch goes for 2. 1-5-2 for 7. They're doing well. Straight back, taken. Could this be the game here for Rajasthan Royals?
Suryakumar Yadav's gone for 60.
That's up in the air. Another opportunity. Jofra to see. Oh, that's clean. That'll go the distance. Oh, excellent. That's plumb. He's walking, Chahar. And then decides to take a review.
Can I have address to confirm whether any bat involved or not? Flat line as the ball passes the bat. Satisfied, no bat involved. Ball that is coming up, impact is in line, wickets hitting, original decision was out. You're on screen now,
So
you stay
plumb
with the
as it
signal.
gets. Chahar departs for 8. 167 for 9. Full toss, put away. There you go. It's been a scrapping performance, but it is RR. It's a massive relief when you come into a game with 2 points to get. Have a look at Jofra Archer. They're into the playoffs, as would be the dugout. Kumar Sangakkara, his management there. It's the Rajasthan Royals who win by 30.
The Royals winning here at the Wankhede by 30.